in chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce. Let's go through last topic of the chapter. It is called population. You already study in detail about population in social science and in some other topics, but we discuss the population here in the case of sex ratio of male and female and which type of causes, which type of problems can be occur when the rate of population will be increased. Population is a group of individuals of a single species. Reproduction is a process by population will be increased. Due to population increase, the rate of birth and death in a given population will be determine its size. Increasing size of human population, it will be cause for concern. Because of the increasing of population, it will be cause many problems. Such problems can occur. They are low standard of living, depletion of natural resources. We already studied one example of depletion of natural resources in chapter number 15. It is called depletion of ozone layer. Food scarcity, inequality among people. These problems can be caused by the overpopulation, increased population. Let's go through the in-text questions. The in-text questions are important for the board exams, so we discuss the in-text questions. Let's see question in textbook which are given in page number 140. The first question is, how is the process of pollination different from fertilization? We already studied both the process. We know the process of pollination is a transfer of pollen grains from the anther of stamen to the stigma of pistil. Why fertilization is? Fertilization is a process of fusion of male gamete with female gamete and form a zygote. Zygote can develop in the embryo and embryo can develop a new plant. So both process can differ from its work, pollination and fertilization. The second question is, what is the role of the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland? In male reproductive system, two accessory glands can be occur. They are seminal vesicle and prostate gland. We already know the secretion of the seminal vesicles and prostate gland makes transport of sperm easier. They can give the fluid, they can secrete the fluid, so the transfer of sperm easier and provides nutrition to the sperms. Question 3, which is, what are the changes seen in the girls at the time of puberty? In the girl, the puberty can be seen at the age of 10 to 12 years. At the time of puberty in girls, ovary starts to secreting female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Ovaries starts and secreting, forming ova. In the girls at the during the puberty. Reproductive organs and breast development start with the darkening skin of nipples. Menstrual cycle will be starts at the stage of puberty, at the time of puberty in girls. How does the embryo get nourishment inside the mother's body? We already know the embryo can get nourishment inside the mother's body by the special type of tissue. It will be called placenta. It will be a disc-like structure embedded in the uterine wall, and it contains villi on the embryo's side of the tissue through which glucose oxygen pass from the mother to the embryo. If a woman is using a copper T, one of the contraceptive method can be occur in the case of mechanical barrier. It will be a copper T. So the question will be arise in the case of copper T. If a woman is using a copper T, will it help in protecting her from sexually transmitted diseases? The copper T is not a safe method, so first we write no, it cannot help in protecting her from sexually transmitted diseases. Then we give the reason. The reason behind that is because during sexual intercourse, fluid of male and female body directly come in the contact, and in this case the chances of pregnancy will be occur, and the loop cannot be safe method. Here we complete the all theory with in-text questions. Let's go through the textual exercise question. You can concentrate it on textbook. The first is asexual reproduction takes place through budding in amoeba, yeast, plasmodium, leishmania. Asexual reproduction, but in the case of budding, amoeba and leishmania shows binary fission, while plasmodium shows multiple fission, and yeast can takes place budding. The answer is B. You can write the question with options and tick the correct option. Which of the following is not a part of the female reproductive system in human beings? In case of female, it will be ovary, uterus, fallopian tube. It cannot be say vas deferens in female. In vas deferens can be seen in the male reproductive system. The anther contains sepals, ovules, pistil, pollen grains. Anther contains tiny yellowish structure. There are many numbers, and it will be a pollen grains. Most of the questions which are given in textual exercise we already study in the theory, so we don't whole explain again and again. We already study in theory, we don't draw the diagram in theory. You can write when you can write the questions, don't write again and again, but learn them by heart. It's important. What are the advantages of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction? We already study about both type of reproduction, and we already study the benefits of sexual reproduction with the help of two individuals' DNA. Variations can be occur by the sexual reproduction. It will not be seen in asexual reproduction. What are the functions performed by the testes in human beings? It starts forming the sperms and it secretes one of the hormone which will be important in male. It will be testosterone. Why does menstruation occur? Fertilization cannot take place. The menstruation can occur. You can explain whole menstruation cycle with the diagram. Draw a label diagram of a longitudinal section of flower. We already draw. We already see the parts of flower. When the question arises, only draw the diagram. You can draw the diagram. You don't need to explanation. What are the different methods of contraception? We already studied 3 types of contraceptive methods: mechanical barrier, chemical methods and surgical methods. You can explain all the methods, all 3. How are the methods for reproduction different in unicellular and multicellular organisms? Because the body structure, cellular body structure, they can differ from the organisms. It will be based on reproduction. How you can explain all the, we already study about both the type of organisms reproduction. How does reproduction help in provide stability to population of species? It gives the ratio of male and sex, rate of birth and death in the population will determine its size, and it can give the stability to population of species. What could be the reasons for adopting contraceptive methods? We already know the reasons for adopting contraceptive methods. The 2 reasons, most of them can be behind. The first is to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Second is control of population. The 3. See the reason behind use of contraceptive. The first is avoid pregnancy or unwanted pregnancy. The second is to control the population. See, because the increasing size of human population, it will be cause for concern. So the use of contraceptive method, control of population can be occur. And the third is, by the use of contraceptive methods, it will be prevented by STDs. Sexual transmitted diseases can be prevented in some case of it can be not happen by the use of contraceptive methods. Here we complete all the chapter. In the case of this chapter, we first study about the DNA, which is the most important part. Point number 8.1, the words are important. I can use the textbook's word because the words can be important. If the words cannot arise in sentence, you will lose the marks. So you can concentrate on words first and then write to answer. First we give the information about DNA, then sexual reproduction, and then asexual reproduction with its type, with its diagram, and then about sexual reproduction. Here we complete whole chapter. Thank you.